Evelyn is a woman in her early 60s who has lived most of her life with schizophrenia. For the last 10 years, she lived in a boarding house where she rented a room. Without any warning, Evelyn's longtime landlord came to her and took advantage of her mental health disability to get her to sign a week-to-week lease. He then served her with a 7-day eviction notice. The reason behind that, it turned out, was that he was looking to sell the property, and he knew that it would be more appealing to buyers if there were no tenants in place.
When she got her 7-day notice that she had to be out, that was just, we couldn't believe it.
You know, 7 days, and you have to uproot yourself from where you've lived for 10 years and expect to just get up and get out.
It was a really dire moment because, first of all, Evelyn wasn't even there at her own trial about her own housing because she was in a mental health institution.
She got really crazy. I've never seen her like that.
She was panicked.
And so her family was there trying to save her housing or at least buy some more time.
I had my file with me.
I assumed Terry was going to be doing all the talking because that's not my forte.
Come up to the table. Who are you? I'm her brother. I'm handling this. Do you have a power of attorney? No, don't want to talk to you.
And the judge didn't side on our side.
Shh. That was it.
Then I ran into this angel, as my brother calls her.
Law Foundation attorney Kara Brodfuhrer was there in the audience with a client waiting for their eviction trial.
She hands me a card.
And she had written on the back, please give me a call.
When I first heard about Evelyn's story and what Kara did, I have to say it just, it still gave me the chills just like it always has.
She felt like we had gotten an unfair judgment.
And I'm going, wow, this is perfect. And as she said, it's free. Another perfect thing.
We're very blessed that we have a community of donors who really believe in our work and enable us to stand up and hand our business card and say, you can call me.
Start telling her our story, and it was just amazing. She saw everything that I saw. She said the judge was wrong, he was wrong. We want to do something about this.
And she was able to file a stay of the eviction, which gave her time then to work with Evelyn and her family to put together a motion for a new trial.
She says, oh, I think you have a good case. Evelyn, the contract was not valid. She had a ton of other things. You go, girl. The next thing you know, I'm getting a call from the current landlord, who starts talking to me and says, we want to settle this whole thing. We don't want to go to court.
That was the leverage that Evelyn and our Law Foundation attorney needed in order to negotiate a settlement.
Eviction notice would be set aside and wiped off her record. That Evelyn could stay there for another 60 days. That at the end of 60 days, she would be given $1,500. We knew that we had him in the corner when she actually was able to get attorney fees put in there too. She threw in attorney fees. I loved it.
And Evelyn, her attitude has changed, her demeanor has changed. She seems happier.
This work that we're talking about in Evelyn's case is particularly near and dear to my heart. I started at the Law Foundation my career almost 20 years ago as a housing rights attorney, and I specifically represented people with mental health disabilities. We are helping foster youth, victims of human trafficking and domestic violence, individuals with chronic illnesses and other disabilities, families who are facing predatory lending or discrimination, areas where those in need in our community face the greatest challenges.
So I don't believe in coincidences because I told my sister and I told Kara, I said, that was my mom. She died just 2 years ago. you know, you gave my sister that card. Look where we are right now.